Hello guys, so I'll be doing another layout show of a hotel. This is in Cebu City, Philippines. The hotel name that I'm staying is ABC Hotel and Homes. So I will show you the layout first before we go through the details. So this is what the room looks like from the glance. Okay, so this will be your entrance door, so quite small. To the right you will have your wardrobe, and to the left will be your toilet. So the wardrobe quite big. You have your basic things like your torchlight, hanger, safety box, and a lot of storage space. Then the toilets. So you have your toilet roll, toilet paper, dustbin. Heads up, there's no bidet here. The toiletries, you have your shampoo, your toothbrush, you have your hand soap, and this is your basin, hot and cold water available. So behind this curtain is your shower area. The toilet itself is okay. It's clean, looks clean. Then this is your shower area. So instruction to get your warm water. Okay, let's go out. So this will be your area where you keep your luggage, and then you have your kettle, mugs, fridge with complimentary drinks inside, plain water. Oh, they don't give coffee or tea. Then let's go to your bedroom. So king size bedroom and your towel, bedside drawer, 3 pillows, and then you have your TV, phone. I guess this is your aircon. Then you have a window. So there's nothing I can show you outside because it's dark. It's actually 11 p.m. and I just checked in. So this is basically your room, and then the plugs in Philippines will be this kind of pin. Okay, overall the room looks quite clean. Okay, so yeah, in a day I will show you what the view outside looks like, but for the moment that will be it for now. Bye bye.